Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to edit ads in CapCut. First, open the CapCut application on your device and tap to create a new project. Next, import all your raw ad footage, including any voiceovers or background music, directly into your project. Familiarize yourself with the intuitive timeline at the bottom of the screen, where you'll arrange and trim your clips. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth editing workflow, ensuring all your assets are ready for transformation into a compelling advertisement. Now, let's dive into the essential features for crafting effective ads. Begin by precisely trimming and splitting your video clips to achieve perfect timing, often just a few seconds for optimal engagement. Next, add compelling text overlays, ensuring your call to action is prominent and easy to read, perhaps using a bold font size of 24 points. Integrate upbeat, royalty-free music and subtle sound effects to enhance the viewer's experience. Finally, use smooth transitions, like a cross-dissolve lasting 1 second, to maintain a professional flow between scenes. To elevate your ad, explore CapCut's advanced editing techniques. Experiment with various visual effects and filters to give your advertisement a unique and polished aesthetic. Pay close attention to color grading, adjusting saturation and contrast to make your product pop, aiming for a vibrant, eye-catching look. Utilize keyframe animations to bring text and graphics to life, making them move dynamically across the screen. Additionally, incorporate speed ramps, slowing down or speeding up footage for dramatic effect, perhaps a 2-second slow motion segment to highlight key moments. Finally, let's prepare your ad for the world. Export your finished advertisement in high resolution, ideally 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second, to ensure crisp visual quality. Optimize the file size to meet the requirements of different social media platforms, often under 50 megabytes for quick uploads. Always conduct a thorough final review for any typos, audio glitches, or visual inconsistencies. Remember to consider platform-specific aspect ratios, such as 9:16 for vertical videos, to maximize impact across various channels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.